Good morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today, and I hope you all are good at your home. And from today we are going to study about the first chapter, that is sentence. The first chapter of your grammar syllabus. As you know, we have to study about the grammar. In this grammar, first chapter we will study as sentence. The first topic is sentence. So from today we are going to study about the sentence, what is sentence, parts of sentence, and next about types of sentence. But before trying to know about that, we are going to know about first what is grammar. You know, grammar is a method. Grammar is a method. First, we have to know that grammar is a method, and with this method, I mean with the help of this method, we are going to study to learn about the skills of a language. What is skills of a language? So, how many skills? Listening, speaking, and reading, and one is last, that is writing. So these are four kinds of skills of a language. Whatever we are going to learn, a kind of a language means a language with the help of this grammar, with the help of method of this grammar. So before trying to know about the sentence, we all have to know about these skills of a language, that is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So look at this. First, we know that grammar is a method and skills of a language these are, and now we have to know about how we have to form a kind of sentence form. You can say that structure of a sentence. Structure of a sentence. So firstly we have to know about the structure of a sentence, then we will move to the next point, that will be what is sentence. First, you know very well, in the starting you have studied A to Z. These A to Z are called alphabet. Okay, these are called alphabet. Now we also say this letter. We also say this letter, and when we include two letter or more than one letter, this is called word. Okay, letter, and then we include one more letter in one letter, this will be word. Okay, next, after doing this we are going to form one thing, that is phrase. Suppose I have some example of this. Wait, I hope you have done pen down it. Okay, look at this. I is a letter. Okay, I is a letter, and I study. Study is a word, it is a letter, it is a word. Suppose I am just explaining this I, this is I, this is called letter, and I am including one another letter in this I plus N equal to in. This is called preposition. In is preposition, okay, and in means may, andar, but I means मैं, okay. So I plus N, including this, it will be one word. This is called one word. But when we include another word, suppose in the morning, in the morning, in the morning, this is not a sentence. This These are the group of words but not complete sense, but not having complete sense. So we can't say this is a sentence. We can't say this. So this is phrase. In the morning, in the school, okay. In the morning, these are called phrase. Clear? Because this sentence is not having a complete sense. And you know what is sentence. In your previous classes, you have already studied about the sentence. What is sentence? Parts of sentence and kinds of sentence as well as types of sentences. Clear? Now we are going to study next part of this. I study. Study is a word, okay, and now this is phrase. This phrase, when we include this in the morning, look at this. I study in the morning. Now we have phrase. I study in the morning. I study in the morning. This sentence having a complete sense, so we can say that this is a sentence. This is a sentence. We have done what is grammar? Grammar is a method and by which we can learn the skills of a language, and we have already told you about the skills. First we have to learn is listening, then speaking, then reading, and then writing. LSRW. Clear? Now, after that, we have done the structure of a sentence, letter, word, and phrase. Including these, and when these are having a complete sense, then you can say this is a sentence. I hope you are understanding. Are you getting enjoy? Clear? Very good. Now, we have to move another point of this. We were talking about the language, okay, skills of language, how to form a language from with the help of grammar's method, okay. So note down it, and after that we have to complete this structure. Look at this. We have done that letter, word, and phrase, including make it one sentence. Now, what is sentence? What is sentence? So, with the help of that, we can say that a group of words which make a complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, I have already given you one example. I study in the morning. I study in the morning. This is a group of words having complete sense, so it is called sentence. Now you can understand about the sentence. Clear? We have done the structure, letter, word and phrase. Now we are going to understand how to form a language. How to form a language with the help of structure of grammar. Okay? With the help of structure of grammar. So we can add a bit. We can add a bit. Suppose after this we had done sentence, and when we add one more than any sentences, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences make one paragraph, one paragraph, and when we include one more than any paragraph, it will be called passage. It will be called passage, and passage will be any story, and when we say this, I speak this story, this will become a language. This will become a language. So in this way we can form. First we have to start from letter, word, phrase, then it will make sentence, and then paragraph. When there are more paragraph, it will be called passage, and when there is passage, definitely there will be any story, any descriptive events or facts, any factual things. That thing will be spoken in any particular language. This will be called language. Clear? With the help of grammar, we have to learn it. I hope you understood this topic. Before trying to study about the sentence, I mean your first chapter, your first topic of your grammar, you can see that. I hope you have taken or purchased your book. Okay? And with the help of book, from starting one by one, you have to study. In this way you will understand the concept of grammar properly. Clear? I hope you are understanding that. So today we have learned what is sentence. Sentence, look at this, a group of words which make a complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, and you have also seen how we have done one complete one complete sentence. Okay, I study in the morning. This is a sentence. So structure of a sentence and what is grammar and skills of a language I have taught you today. Next day we will study about the kinds of grammar. I mean kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. Clear? So next day we will see what is kinds of sentence. Clear? Have a nice day and study properly. As you know, once again we are going to study in this year online, and you have to also do hard work, and then properly you have to note down everything with the help of this. And from starting you have to, this is my suggestion, from starting you have to make your notes. Clear? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you again. Bye bye.